Hello, in this video I want to wire this limit switch for you and run a small project with this device. So stay with me. Now we want to connect this limit switch to this conductor. When the limit switch is activated, the conductor is activated and to the opposite. First, we need to open these four squares to access the electrical part of the limit switch. We can open it with the screwdriver, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay. Here we have two contacts, normally open and normally closed. NC or normally closed 11 and 12 are normally closed, and NO 13 and 14 are normally open. First, we connect one end of the wire to 13 normally open. We pass through this hole to close the door of the limit switch after wiring. Uh, we connect another head of wire to another wire to 14 and normally open. Now we connect the other end that we connected to 14 to A1 connector, and we connected the end of the another wire to A2 here, and we connect the other end of the brown wire to null. Yeah. And we connect the other end of the yellow wire to the fuse. Now the wiring is finished and you can close the limit switch door. Now if you press the lever, the contactor will be activated, and when we release it, it will be deactivated. It is activated from any side you press. Now because we connected to the normally open contact, when the limit switch is activated, the contactor is activated. Now because it has electricity, we have to carefully change the wire. Be sure to disconnect the power before changing the wire. When it is inserted into the contact, the contactor is activated. Now we have connect the limit switch to the NC contact or normal close contact. So it should be closed normally and the contactor should be deactivated when the limit switch is activated in this way. Therefore, it is normally closed and when the limit switch is activated, the contactor is deactivated. The normally open contact when the limit switch is activated, the contactor is activated. Well, that was a simple explanation of the limit switch. It has only one normally open contact and one normally closed contact. Well, this was a simple project by limit switch that we explained to you. Depending on the project you have, you choose and use the contact you want. This device is just an input that you can use anywhere. The next video, I want to fully open this limit switch so that you can see the internal components of this limit switch. If you have any question about these topics, ask in the comments. Thank you.